Over here, back on another beautiful day. Well, what's left of it. The sky is still up there a little bit. I wanted to take you guys to the forest and show you guys some twisty roads, but I came out a little too late and the sun is setting over there, so yeah. And I'm having to fiddle with my tire right now. It's kind of low on air, so I'm trying to look for a sorry, that cop threw me off. Oh my god, I know you guys know the feeling when you pass a cop and you just do that mirror look for a minute. You're like, oh, is he gonna pull out? Is he gonna pull out? He didn't pull out though, so. But the sky's over there, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna try to pull over here and get some air in my tire because she is in need of some air. Or maybe that ooh, this one looks all nice. Maybe the other air machine I went to was kind of wonky, so here she is, all beautiful. I added some tire stickers and that's really it. Not really gonna add too much to this bad boy. Maybe replace this with another white or a cowl to match the rest of it, and get this changed out for a clear one. And then that's really it. So see if I can put some air in this tire, because yeah, I need some it's turning like a brick right now, and I'm not liking that. Okay, and you know, this brings perfect time to bring up one of the gripes I have with the R1, which is not a lot, but one which is kind of annoying, is filling up air in the tires. Like, the rims are just so beautiful, you know, it just doesn't leave you much room to really get one of these and put it in there. Like, I'm grateful I got this type of air thing. If it's one of those straight ones, it's even harder. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Well, that's much better than where it was. Woo! Oh yeah, there we go. I was like, why is my bike turning like a brick? So probably when I get there, it's gonna be already pretty much damn near the sun sets. So oh damn, all right, there goes the fun, boys. God damn. If you don't know what I'm referring to when I say the forest is a national park in Montgomery County near Conroe. So it's best twisty roads in Houston, you know, without going too far. This is about maybe an hour drive up here. 45 minutes if no traffic, and you know, it's a nice ride up there. So it's a nice ride up there. I will say, oh, if you guys do want, let me know and I can drop the address to this place, and so you guys can check it out for yourself. But it's a nice piece of road. Some actual challenging and technical twisties, and I say that with you know, quotations, because you know, it's the best we're gonna get out here. You know, Houston doesn't really have that many twisty roads, so you know, beggars can't be choosers, and we gotta, you know, get what we can take, so, or get what's available. Another thing, don't hoon too much if you live in the inner city and you're coming up here for your first time. Don't hoon too much, especially on this straight of road. This is like considered 105. So as you can see, when I was back there, there's a sheriff, so they do patrol heavily in this corridor right here. So, and it's all the way straight until you hit the national park. On some days it's dead, but you know, they are out and about. And if you don't know, Montgomery County, they will chase you. They're not like HPD and the inner city cops. Hey, Montgomery County will chase you. So we are here now, or almost. We are, well, this is kind of like the entranceway to the forest. You got to come through Montgomery County, like a little town center right here. It looks like they're throwing a little event today, so that's kind of cool. It's a nice, cozy little, turn my music down, jeez, I can't hear myself. Nice cozy little country town. And yeah, it's got some nice roads up here. And yeah, I used to come up here a lot when I used to live up in Conroe, actually, before I moved into the inner city. And man, it's like, these roads are like pretty great, like, honestly. I know there's some more twisty roads going out to Waller County, I think, is where some other moto bros go, but it's kind of far. So I like this stretch of road. Plus, it's like surrounded by trees on both sides, so it's pretty nice. Nice and scenic too. If you got a lady friend you want to put on the back, or a nice date area or date ride. They also take care of these roads for the most part, so if you're worried about that, don't be. They're pretty smooth. Always do a pass through first before you really go ham. You know, it being a country road, so there might be some gravel on the floor and stuff. On the way here, I was just doing my little zoom through traffic, and I happened to look in one of the cars. Usually I don't. Like I peeped this like really cute girl, and I was like, ah! I wanted to stop and do some cool moto bro stuff. Hey, Harley wave. But nah. I kept riding, bros. I'm sorry. I chickened out. She was kind of smiling and stuff too. But you know, we're in like stop and go traffic, so I was on a mission to get here, and yeah, we're here now, so oh, it's so nice. I should have came like either in the morning or something. Let me do my little tire wiggle. This is like very controversial in like the sport bike community and the motorcycle community in general. Like, people say that it really does nothing to warm the tires up. I still like doing it. Let me know what you guys personally think about it. I think it's good, like if you just wash your tires and you put like some tire shine on the edges. I do it just to scrape some of it off. You know, that stuff's kind of slippery. But whether if it warms your tire or not, I don't know. I'm not gonna go full Valentino Rossi on this just yet, at least. This is my first time taking my beautiful R1 to this road, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it. And I don't have no gear besides my boots. I need to buy new riding gloves, which is no excuse. I have my motorcycle jacket in the closet. I just decided not to put it on. I know it's terrible. Hopefully it's not too damn out here and the quality's still good. Warm my tires up a little bit. Oh my god, yes, this is what I was like, because when I first got these Diablo 4s installed, I was like, yo, I'm not buying these again. This is not what I expected. When I first used these tires on my CBR 1000, man, they were so turny. This felt like a brick, and now I know it was the tire pressure not being adequate. So, silly mistake, but I rectified it today, so. Oh. But yeah, if you guys want to check this road out, man, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's got a lot of hills. It's got a straight right here. I'll let this car get more ahead of me. It's got some straights, it's got some hills, some jumps, blind corners, some swooping lefts. I can't say that word. it's got some nice country land scenery. It's surrounded on trees both ways. It's very nice. For too long. My visor, it's like black, and I don't like riding in the dark for too long. So yeah, I guess this will be it for this video. Rather not drop my bike here. But yeah, beautiful bike, beautiful landscape, beautiful world. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I am gonna go back to downtown now because yeah, I don't want to ride with my dark visor that I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little road showcase, and my beautiful R1 here, which has already got bug splats, and I just washed it last week. So so lovely. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride fast, ride safe. Peace.